Hi guys, this is Boy in the Sea here, and I'm here to teach y'all how to make some more money online. Before this video starts, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You do not want to miss out the videos. I told y'all I am uploading videos every single week of how to make money online. And to help you guys, yes, this is all free. You don't have to pay for anything, unlike these other YouTubers. Okay, I'm just going to show you this for free. And I'm going to help all y'all make some money. So if you want to get this website, you have to click the link down below. It's invite only. It's called Paydera. Please check the link under my YouTube video if you want to get this website. Okay, so this is Paydera. They pretty much pay you to like answer questions and stuff. They have surveys, tasks, referrals. You can do anything basically. But here's the thing: if you do the surveys, they're not gonna pay you a lot. To be honest, they're only gonna pay you like 10 cent, 20 cent. It's not really a lot of money, to be honest. And if I were y'all, I wouldn't really do the survey. Now, if you want to see, they don't really pay a lot, but where they make the most money is if you go to the tabs. You see these pay a lot, and I've made some pretty good money. And you can search this up. You can check the rankings. But if you want the bonus, you have to click the link down below. It's a $5 bonus. I know a lot of y'all want to make some extra money, so get on it. And yeah, I mean, you can make some pretty good money. You can refer people. You can do pole fit. The surveys aren't really that good. The referral program is good too. Like if you do referrals and you invite other people, you make it. And that's when you sign up. You see, I have 4 referrals here. You see, so people actually have been taking advantage of this opportunity. The channel below, and make sure, guys, it's very serious. You can't get in unless you have my link. So you have to click the link down below. Make your money, guys. Love you. Have a good day.